day, everyone, especially to you, Mom. My name is Christoph Gonzalez, and I am here to discuss why the answer is correct. Number one, which of the following is a high level programming language? The answer is letter C, Control C. High level programming languages are closer to the human language and farther from machine code. They are easy to read, write, and understand because they are use English like syntax, abstract, away hardware details. Example: C, Control, Java, Python, and etc. Number 2. What is the main function of compiler? The answer is letter B. Translate code into machine language. A compiler is a specific software tools that convert source code written in a high-level programming like C Control or Java into machine language that the computer's processor can directly execute. Number 3. What does JDK stand for? The answer is letter A. Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit is a software package provided by Oracle and others that contains the tools needed to develop, compile, and run Java programs. Number 4. Which tool is used to write a test program? The answer is letter C, IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. An IDE is a software application that provides a complete environment for programmers to write, edit, compile, run, and test program in all one place. Number 5. Java. Java code is saved with which file extension? The answer is letter A, Java. When you write a Java program, you save the source code, the code you type, in file with the extension Java. Number 6. A blank is a sequence instruction for the computer algorithm. The answer is algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step consequence. Number 6. A blank is a sequence of instruction for the computer. The answer is algorithm. Algorithm is step-by-step sequence of instruction designed to solve a specific problem or perform a task. In computer science, before writing an actual program, programmer usually design an algorithm to outline the logic of how computers should process information. Number 7. Java is considered a blank language because it uses human readable syntax. The answer is high level. Java is a high level language because it uses human readable syntax like class, if, while, instead of machine code OS and 1S, making it easy to read, write, and understand. Number 8. Blank is a program that executes Java bytecode. The answer is Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine is a program that runs Java bytecode class files created after compilation. It translates the bytecode into machine code that computers processor can understand, allowing Java program can run on any device. Number 9. Blank is combines editing, compiling, and debugging tools in one software. The answer is Integrated Development Environment. An IDE combines a code editor, a compiler or interpreter, and a debugger into one software package. This makes easier for programmer to write, run, and test programmer in all one place, which is why the answer is IDE. Number 10. The blank command compiles Java source files. The answer is Java. Java is the Java compiler command used to convert Java source code files into bytecode files. This step necessary before the program can be executed by JVM. Number 11. A symbol language is easier hard to read than binary. The answer is true. Assembly uses short mnemonics like MOV and ADD instead of just OS and 1 is making it more human readable than binary code. Number 12. Java bytecode can run on platform GVM. The answer is true. Java's slogan write once anywhere because bytecode runs on any system that has GVM. Number 13. Compiler execute programmers line by line. The answer is false. Interpreters run code line by line. Compiler translate the entire program into machine code before execution. Number 14. Visual Studio Code can use for Java programming. The answer is true. With Java extension, instead, VS Code support writing, compiling, and debug Java programming. Number 15. The system out print open and close and open parenthesis is a Java statement for printing text. The answer is true. System out print displays text or output on screen in Java. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.